Yo guys, before we even start today's video, before we jump into it, I wanted to stop real quick to say thank you to everybody that's been subscribed to the channel, all the new people, all the OGs, and everybody come and smack the like button. Drop y'all comments and thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section. It's all greatly appreciated. I just checked today and we hit 75,400 subscribers. And so I want to say thank you guys so much. It really does mean a lot. Keeps your boy motivated. Just know them early reviews gonna keep pumping out more informational videos and just better quality content in general, man. So like I said, man, shouts out to everybody for tapping in and being a supporter of the Vintage Squad, man. So let's go ahead and get to today's video. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. You seen the title, you seen the thumbnail. We haven't done one like this in a little minute. I want to put you guys on. Everybody that's brand new to the channel, everybody that's, clicking on this video just to see what's some of the best Air Jordan 1s to get in a very reasonable price under $250, which seems like a long shot from what it used to be 2-3 years ago. You were spending at least $300 for a pair of Air Jordan 1s. It doesn't matter what colorway it is. Now we're getting to a more even, I guess, sneaker market where you can get some of these dope Air Jordan 1s for a very reasonable price. And I'm gonna put you guys on today, man. So you clicked on the right video. Make sure you guys sub up right now. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. And please do a huge like on today's video. Goes a long way. We try to hit 500 likes every single video. You guys have been crushing that like button, so let's keep it up. Let's keep going. Let's hit that 100K together, man. All right, guys, so like I said, man, all these Air Jordan 1s will be going for under $250. And what I want to say to you guys right now, before we even go checking some of the resale prices, you might want to go hit up your local sneaker shop to see if you can budget them a little bit. Like, get them a deal, ask them what's the best you can do and stuff like that. Just don't go to StockX and say, yo, this is what StockX is going for, so can I get it for that price? Try to, bargain with them. Try to see if you can, get a more reasonable price that's in your price range. And 9 times out of 10, they probably will work with you on a good deal for any of these Air Jordan 1s I'm showing you, or any Jordan in general that you want to be adding to your collection. All right, guys, so for the first Air Jordan 1 I'll be showing you guys under $250, happens to be a women's exclusive. I know everybody cannot, fit into the women's exclusive sneakers, and these in general, they did not do the extended size on these, which kind of sucks. But it's a crazy Air Jordan 1, man. Check them out, the Air Jordan 1 Seafoams. And I actually hit on these from the homie Jay Sneaker Guy when he was selling some pairs out of his collection. I said, you know what, I passed on these initially, and then I seen how crispy that colorway was, that women's Seafoam colorway. I said, bro, I gotta have them. And it was an Air Jordan 4 Seafoam that dropped. We did a review on our feet and everything like that. So if you guys want to tap into that, just search Air Jordan 4 Seafoam, put your boy the Vintage name, it will show up. But I never broke these things down. I never actually got a good look at them. These things are super crispy. The colorway is super nice. And I already know, if this was a regular men's GR, I know these would have been doing some numbers, but they kept it as a woman's exclusive. And these right here are going for under $250 on any app you check right now. And I'm pretty sure if you go to a sneaker shop near you, they're gonna be going for, right around that $210 price range, because I guess nobody was feeling it. Like I said, it wasn't extended sizes, but the colorway itself nonetheless is super dope, bro. You don't see nobody talking about these right here. I'm telling y'all, this is a crazy pair of Air Jordan 1s. The quality is immaculate. The colorway is just beautiful. You guys go ahead and tap into these. You can fit into the women's exclusive sizes. Go tap into the Air Jordan 1 women's Seafoams. All right, so for this next Air Jordan 1 I'll be showing y'all, I checked the prices on a lot of different apps, and most of the sizes, I'm saying most of the sizes. So this is like an honorable mention. I should have did this one first. This is an honorable mention right here. The Air Jordan 1 Spider-Verse next chapters, whatever you want to call them, the Chicago 4.0s, it don't matter. This is a nice colorway. And like I said, in most sizes, these are going for under, that $250 price range, but the price is steadily increasing. So I did want to throw this one on there because I do see these steadily climbing up, hitting that $300 before you know it. Like I said, the big sizes like 11 and up are going for over $300, and 10 and a half and under are going for right around like $230, $240. But I'm telling y'all, that price is steadily ticking up. Definitely gonna be one of them, best Air Jordan 1s of the year conversations. It's gonna be up there with the Palominos. It's gonna be up there with the Air Jordan 1 UNC toes. This is a crazy Air Jordan 1. So even if these not going for like right at under $250, like I'm telling y'all, if you do want them, don't wait before it's too late. Don't be like your boy the Vintage. Don't have to pay that crazy resale price for some of your grills, some of your OG colorways you want to collection. Don't wait too long. I'm telling y'all, these right here, super fire. going for right around like 250, like I said, in most sizes under 10.5. But if you're over 10.5, they already hitting y'all over the head. So if you want them, I'm telling y'all, grab these joints now. Honorable mention, Air Jordan 1 next chapters. You go ahead and tap into them. And it's crazy. So for this next one, this is an early pair. We've talked about these so many times. I'm not trying to hype them up or anything like that. But if you are in the market for Air Jordan 1 and you want to pay for, you might get these for retail. So I want to throw these in there now. They do release this upcoming week. The Air Jordan 1 Washed Heritages, a cool gray Air Jordan 1, whatever you want to call them. I really like this colorway. I'm trying to tone it down so it don't seem like I'm hyping them up. But these will be releasing this upcoming week. $180 is a retail price. Got a dope box of these. Got some black laces that come with these joints. But for me, I threw the white laces in there, but a lot of people said you might want to throw the black ones in there. So I'm gonna test it out when that release actually does come. I might even double up on this pair. That's how much I like them. You guys see I toned it down a bit so it don't seem like I'm just going all crazy for the sneaker. You know what I'm saying? But I do like the Air Jordan 1 Black Heritage. I think Jordan Brand is going in the right direction with these Air Jordan 1 colorways. So this one right here, you can get for retail. And I'm pretty sure after the release comes, they're gonna be going for under retail. But you guys let me know what you think about them. Air Jordan 1 Washed Heritages. Man, I'm telling y'all, if these right here were released 2-3 years ago, I probably wouldn't even have them in the collection. Super dope in my opinion. You have the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Greens. Nice quality all the way around it. And I feel like if these dropped 2 years ago, they wouldn't be on this video. Like, they wouldn't be on this list because they would be going for over $300. Hands down, that's how dope this colorway is. But like I said, the sneaker market is very, very weird right now. Nobody's buying Air Jordan 1s. Nobody's really buying sneakers, period. I feel like I definitely keep the black laces in there. I even seen some people with some white laces in there. I thought that was super dope. And it would have been even crazier if they would have, you know, aged the midsole on these guys right here. Hit them with some cell laces. Whew. I'm telling y'all, these things will go super crazy. Another good quality Air Jordan 1. I actually have not worn these yet. I definitely got to pull them out soon. Air Jordan 1 Starfish. This was a woman's exclusive, like I said. I think it was a woman's exclusive. I don't have the box with me right now, but if I'm not mistaken, this was a woman's exclusive. So I had to check real quick. The highest size these did go up to was a men's 10.5. So if you're in that, you know, 10.5 and under category, these joints right here will be available to you for the under $250 price. I think the highest size, like I said, 10.5 is only going for $182. I'm gonna put a little screenshot right there. But like I said, good, reasonable price Air Jordan 1, and it's a dope, nice quality one as well. So these would be nice add to the collection. And then last but not least, another one of those sleeper Air Jordan 1 colorways, in my opinion. You have the Air Jordan 1 True Blues. Now these right here aren't like a super, you know, sought after sneaker. It isn't like anything crazy. It's not anything limited, but it's just a nice, you know, day-to-day Air Jordan 1. Got your gray, got your blue, that true blue at that. Hits all the way around it, and I feel like this is a solid, you know, drop from Jordan Brand. I know a lot of people call them filler sneakers and Jordans we didn't really need, but I actually did, you know, really like this color right here. I added it to the collection. Super different. We haven't seen this before, so like, man, why not add them? The quality wasn't too great on these, but the colorway was what really sold me on these joints right here. And then one of the best things, like I said, it's on the video because they are going for under that $250 price range. I think these dropped last year sometime. Said I had to have them. I really think if people seen these in hand, they didn't just pass on the release. They probably 9 times out of 10 would have grabbed these joints. But check them out. Air Jordan 1 True Blues under that $250 price range. Can't go wrong with them. I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. That's it. That's a wrap. A lot of Air Jordan 1s I showed you guys today, but you guys let me know down below in the comment section what's some of those other, you know, sleeper Air Jordan 1 colorways going for under $250 that we might not know about, that I didn't bring up. It's gonna be some people watching you guys' comments. Let's go ahead and drop all y'all comments, thoughts, and opinions down below in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. And like I said in the intro, you gotta smack that like button right now. Let's get it on up to 500 likes. That'd be greatly appreciated, man. Again, thanks for tapping in. And with all this being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in next video. Peace.